Hey everyone, hope you're having a great Friday. If you've been following me on LinkedIn, you've probably seen me post over and over about Python. I think we're at a time where AI is changing the way we do work, and soon enough, having skills to automate and do data analysis will be a requirement on your resume, not just a nice to have. AI is giving marketers superpowers. Things that previously were complicated can be done in minutes today. This means that the bar for being a good marketer and a good SEO is getting higher and higher. It also means that the better you are able to leverage AI in your work, the more competitive you will be as a candidate and your recommendation as an SEO as well. The new SEO skill set in 2025 and beyond will include user experience, CRO, using LLMs, and understanding when and when not to use them, data analysis, automation, and more. This is where Python comes in handy. With Python, you can tackle three birds with one stone: data analysis and automation, and using LLMs. Yes, Python can help you with all of this. You'll hear a lot of people saying you don't have to learn to code to be a good SEO. That's true for basic SEO. Python unlocks advanced capabilities, allowing you to do what non-coders simply can't. Just like adding strength training elevates your fitness beyond simple cardio, right? If you're looking just to cover the basic skills, then Python probably won't be for you. But if you're looking to pick up something that will give you SEO superpowers, Python is your new best friend, in my opinion. So, why I think you should learn Python? Oh boy, I don't think people fully understand the benefits of learning to code in general. Here are some of the things you'll learn. First, structured thinking. I cannot say this enough, but coding in general will teach you how to think in a well-structured way. Debugging will help you become more detail-oriented and improve your analytic skills. The second thing is speed and efficiency. Python will speed things up for you. You can create your monthly performance report literally in one click. You build the code once and you can keep using it forever. So the time you spend building things is an investment because whatever code you just written, you can use it over and over and over. Last but not least, freedom in analysis, analyzing everything and anything, literally. Yes, the tools we have at hand at the moment help us do that, but they also limit us to what is possible and can be done. You can pull the title tags from SERPs and analyze them in any way you want. For example, what are the most frequent words, terms, or n-grams appearing in the titles in the top 100 results for a given keyword, right? Something you may be thinking about, is it hard to learn Python? Learning something new is always complicated. It's like learning a new language, right? Sometimes you'll get it, other times you might feel discouraged. But here's the thing, if you don't try, you'll never know if it's for you. Chances are, yes, you can, and it will be so worth it. It's never been easier to learn to code nowadays with all the LLMs we have access to, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and there are actually LLMs specialized in helping you write code. So AI-assisted learning and coding makes the whole process a breeze. In my course for Python for marketers, I will give you the basic understanding of coding and how coding works, and then I'll take you directly to more advanced real-life situations. If you're wondering what can you do with Python, tons of stuff. Let me walk you through my course. The first part of the course is about the basics. You'll learn the basics, you'll learn AI-assisted coding, you'll have an understanding of how a code works. And then we're going to jump into real life, practical Python codes. So one of the things you're going to learn for automation, for example, is web scraping, which basically is pulling the content of any URL. And then another thing is scraping Google search results for a keyword. And you can actually combine those two codes to scrape the results for a keyword, the top 10 or top 100 or whatever, and then scrape the content on those pages and analyze them in any way you want. The next section is about data tasks. In this section, you'll learn how to use Python with spreadsheets, how to plot graphs, how to create a custom click curve for your website, or analyze your data in any way you want. You will learn how to use Python to answer your questions with data. Last but not least, using machine learning in Python. In this section, you're going to be introduced to two codes: analyzing titles in SERPs, how to pull all the titles in SERPs and analyze them in any way you want. And then you'll also be introduced to clustering keywords, which is a very useful task. Imagine if you can cluster your keywords for free today. And then I also have a section of additional resources and additional exercises and projects that you can work on. I will also be updating this course and adding more and more material over time. So that's not it. And with the course, you'll get access to a Python community where you can get the support you need if you are facing any challenges while you're writing code, or if you want to showcase the work you're doing. Some of the things that you can do with Python, is that it? Is that everything you can do with Python? Of course not. Some of the things others have been doing, and I will be introducing soon to the course, things like forecasting and predicting outcomes, automated log file analysis, bulk content analysis, rank tracking, internal link analysis, sitemap generation, validating schema, and so on. There's so many things you can do with Python your way once you learn how to code. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions about Python or about the training. Feel free to email me or DM me on LinkedIn. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.